Home animals in English. A1, Part 1. Dog. Friendly. The dog is friendly. It likes to play. Cat. Cute. The cat is cute. It likes to sleep. Rabbit. Soft. The rabbit is soft. It eats carrots. Hamster. Small. The hamster is small. It runs in a wheel. Guinea pig. Gentle. The guinea pig is gentle. It likes vegetables. Mouse. Tiny. The mouse is tiny. It likes cheese. Rat clever. The rat is clever. It learns quickly. Ferret. Playful. The ferret is playful. It likes to run. Chinchilla. Fluffy. The chinchilla is fluffy. It has soft fur. Hedgehog. Shy. The hedgehog is shy. It has sharp spines. Gerbil. Active. The gerbil is active. It likes to dig. Sugar glider. Amazing. The sugar glider is amazing. It can glide. Fancy mouse. Cute. The fancy mouse is cute. It has a long tail. Fancy rat. Friendly. The fancy rat is friendly. It likes people. Syrian hamster. Quiet. The Syrian hamster is quiet. It sleeps during the day. Dwarf hamster. Tiny. The dwarf hamster is tiny. It runs very fast. Lop rabbit. Lovely. The lop rabbit is lovely. It has long ears. Rex rabbit. Soft. The Rex rabbit is soft. It has beautiful fur. Lionhead rabbit. Fluffy. The lionhead rabbit is fluffy. It has long hair. Mini lop rabbit. Friendly. The mini lop rabbit is friendly. It likes children. Labrador retriever. Loyal. The Labrador retriever is loyal. It loves families. A golden retriever. Kind. The golden retriever is kind. It likes to swim. German shepherd. Intelligent. The German shepherd is intelligent. It helps people. Poodle. Smart. The poodle is smart. It learns tricks. A beagle. Curious. The beagle is curious. It has a good nose. Bulldog. Calm. The bulldog is calm. It likes to relax. Boxer. Energetic. The boxer is energetic. It loves to play. Chihuahua. Small. The chihuahua is small. It has a big personality. Pug. Funny. The pug is funny. It has a flat face. Dachshund. Brave. The dachshund is brave. It has a long body.